The Finance Act 2025, Section 15, has introduced significant changes to the energy, oil and gas profits levy that will impact companies operating in the oil and gas sector. This represents the government's continued response to exceptionally high commodity prices that have generated extraordinary profits in this industry. The key change is an increase in the levy rate from 35% to 38% for accounting periods beginning on or after 1st November 2024. This adjustment brings the overall headline tax rate for the oil and gas sector to 78%, reflecting the government's intention to capture a greater share of these windfall profits. For companies whose accounting periods overlap with the 1st November 2024 implementation date, referred to as straddling periods, special provisions have been established. These periods will be treated as two separate accounting periods for tax purposes, one ending 31st October 2024, taxed at the previous 35% rate, and one beginning 1st November 2024, taxed at the new 38% rate. The company's levy profits or losses will be apportioned between these two deemed accounting periods accordingly. The legislation also addresses installment payment rules, which will apply separately to the levy and to other taxes. For the deemed accounting period ending 31st October 2024, the final installment payment becomes due when the next installment payment after 31st October would have been due for the straddling period. When calculating payments, any reference to a company's total liability should include only the levy for levy payment calculations and exclude the levy when determining other tax payments. Additionally, when determining whether a company qualifies as large under installment payment regulations, this will be based on whether it would be considered large for the straddling period, disregarding the effects of the energy profits levy itself. Retriclad can make mistakes. Please double-check responses.